Best DIY laundry room organization ideas. Easy ways to create a space you'll actually love. I am currently renovating my own laundry room, and I have officially discovered that laundry rooms can be way more exciting than they get credit for. Who knew shelves, hampers, drying racks, and detergent containers could become a whole decorating adventure? As I work on mine, I would love to hear what other people have done in their laundry rooms. If you have a clever storage trick, a favorite organizer, or one of those "why didn't I think of that" ideas, please comment and share it with me. I am always looking for new ideas to make my space more functional, and maybe a little prettier too. And if your current home does not have the laundry room, kitchen, pantry, or storage space you have been dreaming about, you already know who to call. Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, would be happy to help you find a home you can make your own. Start with the space you actually have. Before buying baskets, cabinets, or cute little labels, take a good look at your laundry room and measure everything. Look at wall space above the washer and dryer, space beside the machines, empty corners, space behind the door, ceiling height, any unused wall areas, room for shelves, cabinets, or a folding counter. Even a small laundry room can hold a surprising amount when you use the walls instead of relying only on floor space. Add shelving above the washer and dryer. This is probably one of the easiest DIY upgrades you can make. Open shelves above the washer and dryer are perfect for storing detergent dryer sheets, stain removers, cleaning supplies, extra towels, paper products, laundry baskets. You can use wood shelves for a warmer look or simple white shelving for a clean, bright feel. Just make sure the shelves are high enough that you are not bumping your head every time you reach into the washer. That would make laundry even less fun. Use cabinets to hide the clutter. Open shelves are pretty, but sometimes you just want to close a door and pretend the mess does not exist. Upper cabinets are great for hiding extra detergent, cleaning products, light bulbs, batteries, pet supplies, household extras. If you already have inexpensive builder-grade cabinets, a fresh coat of paint and new hardware can make them look completely different without replacing them. DIY magic. Create a folding station. If you have room, a folding counter can make a huge difference. One popular idea is installing a countertop directly over front-loading washers and dryers. That gives you a large workspace without taking up extra room. You can fold clothes, sort laundry, or even use the surface for decorative baskets. For top-loading machines, consider a nearby wall-mounted counter or small rolling cart. Add a hanging rod. A simple hanging rod is one of my favorite laundry room additions. Install one between cabinets, underneath a shelf, or along an open wall. It is perfect for hanging shirts right out of the dryer, air drying delicate clothes, keeping wrinkle-prone clothes neat, hanging empty hangers. No more carrying a pile of shirts around the house, hoping you make it to the closet before they wrinkle. Install a fold-down drying rack. If you do not have much space, a wall-mounted fold-down drying rack is brilliant. When you need it, pull it down. When you do not, fold it back against the wall. These are especially handy for swimsuits, delicate clothes, workout wear, or anything that should not go in the dryer. Use rolling hampers. If your laundry room has enough floor space, consider a divided rolling hamper. You can create sections for whites, darks, towels, delicates. Then laundry day becomes much easier because everything is already sorted. At least that is the dream. Whether the family actually follows the sorting system is another story. Add pull-out hampers. If you are adding cabinetry, built-in pull-out hampers are wonderful. They keep dirty laundry hidden and make the room look much cleaner. You can even have separate pull-outs for different loads. This is one of those features that makes a laundry room feel much more custom. And speaking of custom spaces, if you are house hunting and your wish list includes a dream laundry room, call me. I would love to help you find a home where you can create exactly what you want. Don't forget, the back of a laundry room door is valuable storage space. Try an over-the-door organizer for cleaning sprays, clothespins, ironing supplies, dryer sheets, small baskets, pet supplies. Every little bit of storage helps.
Create a cleaning supply zone. Laundry rooms often become the storage spot for every cleaning product in the house. Instead of letting everything pile up, create one dedicated area. You could use a labeled basket, a pull-out drawer, a tall cabinet, wall-mounted hooks, clear bins. Keeping everything together makes cleaning much easier, and keeping products organized and safely stored away from children and pets is always important. Install hooks everywhere. Hooks are inexpensive, easy to install, and incredibly useful. Use them for reusable shopping bags, brooms, dustpans, dog leashes, laundry bags, ironing boards. A few strategically placed hooks can clear a lot of clutter off the floor. Add a slim rolling cart. Have a tiny gap between your washer and dryer. That little space could become storage. Slim rolling carts can hold detergent, fabric softener, stain remover, dryer sheets, and other laundry supplies. Roll it out when you need something and tuck it away when you are finished. Put detergent in attractive containers. This one is more about appearance, but it can make the room feel much more finished. Clear containers or decorative jars can hold laundry pods, dryer sheets, clothespins, powder detergent. Just make sure anything containing laundry products is clearly labeled and stored safely. Pretty is great. Safe is better. Add a lost sock basket. Every laundry room needs one. You know those mysterious single socks that lose their partners somewhere between the washer and dryer? Give them their own basket. Label it lost socks, looking for soulmates. Okay, maybe that is cheesy, but I love it anyway. Give the laundry room some personality. Just because it is a hard-working room does not mean it has to be boring. Try adding fun wall signs, wallpaper, a bright paint color, decorative baskets, a small rug, plants, matching containers, updated cabinet hardware. Little touches can turn a plain utility room into a space you actually enjoy walking into. Will it make you love folding laundry? Probably not, but we can try. Use vertical space. Tall walls are one of the most underused areas in a laundry room. Consider adding high shelves for seasonal items, tall storage cabinets, stacked baskets, wall-mounted drying racks, pegboards. Items you do not use every day can go higher, while everyday supplies stay within easy reach. Consider an ironing station. If you actually iron, and yes, some people still do, you can create a compact ironing station. Ideas include wall-mounted fold-down ironing board, iron storage shelf, hooks for spray bottles, small basket for ironing supplies. It keeps everything together instead of storing the ironing board in 3 different closets, depending on who put it away last. Make room for pet supplies. If you have pets, the laundry room can be a great place to organize their supplies. Consider baskets or cabinets for towels, grooming supplies, leashes, food, treats, cleaning supplies. If I can find a way to make laundry room organization work for humans and dachshunds, I consider that a successful renovation. Keep a little empty space. This may be the hardest organization tip of all. Do not fill every shelf immediately. Leave a little room for extra detergent, paper towels, cleaning products, or those giant bulk purchases you somehow came home with. Storage needs change over time, so give yourself a little breathing room. Your laundry room should work for you. The best laundry room is not necessarily the prettiest one on Pinterest. It is the one that makes your life easier. Maybe you need lots of hanging space. Maybe you need pet storage. Maybe you want a huge folding counter. Maybe you just want somewhere to hide 6 baskets of clean laundry until you finally get around to folding them. No judgment here. I am still working on my own laundry room renovation, so please comment and tell me what you have done in yours. What organizer do you love? What would you never do again? What feature do you think every laundry room should have? I want all the ideas. And if your current home simply does not have enough room for all the things you want to do, maybe it is time to find one that does. Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, would love to help you find your next home, and maybe one with the perfect laundry room just waiting for your personal touch. Margarett Klein, eXp Realty, call or text 321-480-7662. Email margarett.klein@realty.com. Website margarettsellsdreamhomes.com. YouTube Dream Homes, Space Coast, Florida. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for home tours, real estate tips, DIY projects, Space Coast living, and plenty of fun along the way. Because whether we are organizing a laundry room or searching for your forever home, there is always another project waiting.